Hello Team TFT and welcome back to another daily market outlook video. Today we're going to go over the usual suspects. Firstly, we'll have a look at the the Forex calendar here. So we can see here we've got a fair bit of red news today on the New York Open. So just something to be wary of. We do have a little bit of European news starting now. So it'll be interesting to see once the Asian range closes, what's going to happen there once the London session opens in there. So just something to be wary of. I don't know if it's going to affect it overly, but yeah, it's still something to be mindful of. So basically yesterday we were expecting some lower prices, which we got, but obviously didn't get up into these regions that we were looking for. So I personally didn't take any trades yesterday, based on the fact that they didn't reach the targets I was looking for to buy from on euro. So basically looking today, we can see here, if we start to look at this again, nothing much has changed on the 4-hour time frame. We're still bearish here on the dollar. So basically now we're just looking at the structure points here. So we've got this high here. So obviously we've got a high, a low, a lower low, a lower high, sorry, a lower low. Retrace up, we've got a lower high, failed to set a low, failed to set a low, and then came down, and set a low there. So we're currently working from this leg down to this point here at this point in time. So what we're looking for at the moment is any retrace areas within there that we could be looking to sell from. So obviously the first point of call and the best area to sell from is the origin block. This supply area up here. So get this last bullish impulse before obviously the retrace. But we can see that area has been revisited already, and then it's come down again. So another area that we could be looking to sell from is around this area in here as well, which could be a possibility as well to sell from. So anywhere up around this area today, if we see a pull up into these prices, I'm going to look to sell off. And then, obviously vice versa. We see this pull down, retrace up around that midline, and then coming lower again. Over into the euro. So again, basically same thing with euro yesterday. Perfectly popped out. Start of the London session come along. I was itching for it to get down into here so I could, buy the market. Obviously didn't reach down into those areas. With this price action here, definitely wanted to see it get a little bit lower. So didn't pull down into this zone. So obviously didn't take a buy at any areas there, unfortunately. But that's the sometimes we've just got to deal with that with trading, that you're on the right analysis, but you just don't get those entry figures. We just stay away from FOMO, stick to your plans, and most of the time you'll do all right. So what we're looking for at the moment now is, again, same as the Dixie, 4-hour is still bullish here. Nothing's changed since yesterday. So now we're just looking at the 15-minute structure. Where are we at? We're still setting 15-minute structure. So we've got high, higher, low. Then we've got a high, higher, low, higher, high. Come down, set a higher, low, failed to break. Then failed to break again, and then pushed up through. So we're currently working between this leg and this leg. So we start to get a look down now, and we'll analyze this leg here. What do we see? Well, we've got a couple of areas that are quite interesting. We can see a big rejection out of this area here. So first of all, that one there would look pretty. That one there looks pretty good. We've also got the origin down here, the last bearish candle before the up move, which would be another area that we could look to trade from as well. If we throw a fib on these areas, I'm sure we'll land into some key areas as well. So coming down to that 702 area looks really good as well. That's around that full quarter level there as well, at the 7,000 level. We've also got the 750 level as well around that area as well. So again, that's probably the area that I would like to be trading from, in and around here. So today I'm hoping for a bit of a pullback into here. and to go long, preferably, would be where I'd like to be taking my entries from. Or, you know, again, alternatively, pull higher, retest around that middle, and then go again. GBP USD. So at the moment, we were expecting a push up into this range, but we never got that yesterday. We saw it reach up a little bit. It failed to set, you know, a strong new high, and really it's just consolidated in this 30-odd pip range here. So basically, again, still sort of the same scenario as yesterday, looking for a big reach up into this area and then coming down. This could be actually setting a liquidity area through here and through here like this, starting to build liquidity lines in here. So it starts to consolidate, builds liquidity, and then we could see a couple of different things. We could see a play to the downside, move up and then shoot lower, or we could see a move to the upside and then an immediate shoot lower. There's a couple of different scenarios that could play out there. But again, it's kind of just wait and see once these areas, especially when you start to see a build of liquidity just below, you know, quite a strong point of interest being on the, you know, the 4-hourly time frame. Yeah, definitely something to be, you know, interested in, and just watch to see. And we're looking for signs of market manipulation. So if we see strong signs of, you know, liquidity sweeps and moving away aggressively and stuff, we know that the banks are getting involved, and then we've just got to try and decipher which way they're going to move, and we can start to trade with that. Right, guys. Well, thanks again for jumping on, and I'll catch you all on tomorrow's update after the, you know, the big news events on the USD tonight. So yeah, it'll be interesting to see what the charts bring us tomorrow. Thanks for your time again, guys, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Thanks for watching another daily market outlook video. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. Also, guys, we are the largest tradesmen's Forex group tailored to helping hundreds of tradesmen get their time back through trading. If you want access to structured education, 18 live sessions across 7 days a week, mental health and mindset support from a qualified psychologist, and access to multiple different trading strategies from 10 different mentors, then jump over to our website at www.teamtft.co.uk. Please remember, this is not financial advice, and you should not trade based on anything I have said in this video. This is just my own opinion and nothing more. And remember, manage your risk, stick to your plan, and secure those profits. Have a ripper day.